No matter how experienced you are, Baja can be a tough mistress. Alluring, beautiful, yet dangerous. With 17 years of sharing the Baja Peninsula as a group, could the Rip to Cabo still make bad decisions? Finding extreme heat in virtual box canyons full of rocks that leads to heat stroke and riders hooked up on IVs. Have you heard of the virtual quicksand dunes in Baja? We have. We know they are there, but we still find a way to get bikes buried, riders going over the bars, and more than a handful of riders needing help to exit the dunes. Yes, Baja is beautiful, and the views are stunning, but when Baja gets in a mood, and you put yourself in a situation, she can deliver a massive challenge. Making good decisions will get you to Land's End. Making bad decisions will get you in trouble. Stay with us for the passion and the struggle as we forge our way south 1,500 miles off-road for this year's Monster Energy Rip to Cabo presented by Raceline Wheels.